Welcome to AOMEI. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. The major update of Windows 11 comes out recently. The version 22H2 is the first update of Windows 11. This not only brings a bunch of new features, but also improves on the existing ones. It's quite good in terms of experience. Now this update will not auto-install it. If you want to install it manually, the first thing you could do is to go to the Windows Update menu and check for updates. But for some users it may not show up. Then another way is to go to the Download Windows 11 page. The link is in the description. You can download Windows 11 Installation Assistant and it will help you install the latest version. Okay, now let's take a look at the most noteworthy features. First, we're going to look at the Start menu changes. In this new version, Windows 11 is adding new ways to customize the recommended section, although it is still not possible to disable or remove the feature completely. You can now choose from 3 different options to control the amount of recommended items that appear on this section. Windows also adds a quick access button to open the Signing Options settings page. On the All Apps list, the Windows Ease of Access folder has been renamed to Accessibility, and the Windows Media Player, more specifically the Legacy version, has been renamed to Windows Media Player Legacy. Another big change on the Start menu is the ability to create folders, so now you can drag and drop an app on top of another to create a folder. If you want to delete a folder, just drag all the apps out of the folder, and then the folder will be deleted automatically. Now let's jump into the changes for the taskbar. On version 22H2, you can now drag and drop files and apps to the taskbar. This feature was previously available on Windows, but it was removed on Windows 11. And now it's coming back on version 22H2. Also, you can now drag and drop items from the Start menu and pin them on the taskbar. Focus Assist has been renamed to Do Not Disturb, and the button has also been updated with the bell icon. At the bottom in the Calendar section, the Focus option allows you to start a focus section using the clock app that helps you to stay focused on the task that you're doing. You will see the timer right on the screen, and you can also expand it to update or see more information. In this new version, when using Snap Assist, when you hover over an app that belongs to a group, the Snap Group preview will now also show part of the desktop background to make it easier to identify the group. In addition to the tricks for Snap Groups, Microsoft is also adding a new way to snap windows into snap layouts for both touch and mouse. So now you can drag a window to the top of the screen to reveal the new dropdown to continue with the snap layouts. Then you just need to drop the window that you want, and then Snap Assist will continue guiding you to finish the snapping. Also, when resizing a snap, you will now see the corresponding icon on the top of the acrylic background for the app that is not active. Furthermore, Snap Assist now will show the 3 more recent tabs of Microsoft Edge as suggestion. When you use the Windows Z keyboard shortcut, you'll notice that the layouts are numbered to make it easier to continue doing the snapping with the keyboard. So for example, to snap this window, I can just type 1. In this case, I'm just going to type 2. Finally, Windows 11 also made changes to the snap options under System Multitasking to help simplify them and make them easier to understand. On the Taskbar page under the Taskbar Behaviors, you'll find a few new options, including the ability to disable the flashing taskbar when an app requires your attention. And there is an option to disable the recent searches when you hover over the search icon. There are some other features that are also noteworthy, and I'll put them in the next video. Now, if you're considering update to 22H2 or even from Windows 10 to 11, you may take a look at this versatile software called AOMEI Backupper. Its standard free version can help you backup and restore your files, system, and disks. If you are afraid of data loss, you'd better make a full backup before you upgrade your system. What's more, in its advanced version, you can clone your system and disks, and that would definitely be a great helper when you want to replace your old desk with a new larger desk. Want to know more about AOMEI? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.